Busco Sugar Milling Company, located in Quezon, Bukidnon, is one of the largest sugar mills in the country. Here are some key points about Busco Sugarcane in Quezon, Bukidnon Y². Busco Sugar Milling Company. The company has a significant presence in Quezon, Bukidnon, and plays a crucial role in the local sugar industry. Sugarcane production. Bukidnon is a major sugarcane producing province in the Philippines, with Quezon being one of its key municipalities. Impact on local economy. The sugar industry in Bukidnon, including Busco Sugar Milling Company, contributes significantly to the local economy and provides livelihood opportunities for many residents. Recent developments. After a period of uncertainty, Busco Sugar Milling Company announced its plans to resume operations, which is expected to benefit sugarcane planters in the area. It's worth noting that the sugar industry in the Philippines faces challenges, such as pest infestations, which can impact sugarcane production. However, the Department of Agriculture and other government agencies are working to address these issues and support the sugar industry.